Hey guys, so I'm in the element today, and what we're going to do today is we're going to actually try to take out this front passenger seat. And this is going to be the very beginning of my next element camper build. And what I want to do is take, I want to use this space in the front seat area and take out the seat. And hopefully that'll really open things up in the back. I'm going to keep this seat right here because this seat is actually really versatile. You know, you could take it out if you need to, and you could fold it up if you need to. And I'm going to use it as the base of my bed. It's not a full bed, and especially when I take out the seat, you know, it's a very short bed at best, but I'll need to extend it also. But first, you know, I want to free up this space over here, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so if you're interested in taking out your front passenger seat or any seat in any car, first thing you got to do is got to make sure that it's actually okay electronics wise. So modern chairs have some wiring to them, and if you unplug it, you don't want your car to be beeping and warning about a seat belt or warning about you know something. You can't be handling that kind of beep all day. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect these wires, and I'm going to see how that affects my car. Is there just a light? I can live with the light, but I don't want to hear beeping all day. Let's try that first. All right, so already there's a little bit of a hiccup. See, this first plug is pretty easy. You just press on this tab right here. Try to see down here. Press that tab, and you can just pull it out. But this one, the sleeve, it's a little bit tricky, so I think you gotta pull out the sleeve and then pull it out. And I'm gonna, okay, so you're gonna push up this sleeve and then pull it out, which you'll need two hands for. Let me show you what I mean by that. You gotta push this down, then you can pull it out. You see that? It's a little bit trickier. All right, so that's out. So now I got the two things unplugged. So now I'm gonna put my key in the ignition to see what kind of mess this makes. All right, so let me close the door so that doesn't beep. Okay, so let me show you. I have this airbag light coming on, which is actually okay. I can live with that. Let me put on my seat belt. Okay, so the seat belt light doesn't turn on, just the airbag light. So that's okay. I'm going to remove the seat. I'm going to live with that airbag light. At least the main thing is that there's no beeping. That's going to be annoying. But no beeping, so I'm good. So let's remove the seat. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to remove this cover right here. The nuts are in there. Oh, well, don't even need a pry tool apparently. It comes off pretty easily. Okay, remove that. And that will expose these bolts right here. And we'll need to take out these two bolts right here. Okay, so you'll need a socket wrench. Okay, and a number 14 socket. Okay, that's what that looks like. Now we'll do the same thing to that one. Okay, pretty easy. So for the front bolts, gotta take out this cover right here. There's two of these covers. There's one on that side too, one on this side. Let's pry those covers out. They come out pretty easy. You just kind of spread them apart. Okay, got those two out. Now that'll expose two bolts here. So let's take those out. Okay, one. And then we got to do this side too. Okay, that. So now, see, the chair already wants to lift up. So what we need to do is we need to take out this wire right here because that's attached to the chair. We don't want to yank that out. Not the easiest thing to remove. It's got these tabs that's really hard to get inside to squeeze down. So you just kind of pry. Take it out. But now we can take out the chair. The good news is this chair is actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It's not too bad at all. And just like that, you got your chair removed, and you could see how much more room I'm going to have in this area right here. So thinking of doing a bed that will extend from this back chair to right here, but something that I could slide in and out. And at the same time, I want to be able to use this space for something. Haven't decided exactly what yet, but I'm going to use it for something. But so now I've made my small element even roomier. So let's see what damage I can do.